know she does all these videos for free? Well, yeah. Like, she doesn't get paid. I know filming doesn't take that long. That depends on us not making any mistakes. Well, yeah, we try our best. And going off script. Oh, but it's fun. Well, should we let people know how they can support? Okay, I'll do it. So, if you want to support, the videos, click on join. Wait, what about people on Instagram? Go click on the link in the bio. Click on the link in the bio. And people on TikTok? Well, I don't know how TikTok works. I don't know how TikTok works. There'll be a link, right? Somewhere? Guys, why are we making this so much longer than it needs to be? If you'd like to support, hit like, share, subscribe or follow, and join us on our YouTube channel. Click join to become a member. Diolch. Iawn? Da iawn.